just finished draining out. From there. There we go. Gotta get that filter off next. I'm gonna try my new wrench. Still pretty hot. It's like almost too hot to touch, really. Gotta clean all this off, all the mating surfaces, right? Yeah, this thing is still dripping. There's the filter. I don't know if you can see in here. I'm going to take this in the house and open it up. I already pre-filled this new filter. Seems like the oil got absorbed. I'm going to add a little more oil to this. And then I'm going to screw it on. And this will be hand tighten only. Right? Because over time the pressure in the engine makes this much tighter coming off than it was going on. So hand tightening, that's it. And And I already put a new washer on here. Okay. And I'm just going to wipe this off. This thing is really taking a long time to drip out. Jeez. Alright, that's about it. A 17mm ratchet to tighten it. Alright, that should do it. I'm going to put the oil in next. That's what we're going to do next. Yep, I'm trying this Triax Synergy SRT oil. Here we go. I know this car takes slightly over 5 quarts, so I'm going to put this in, run it, check for leaks. I'm going to use Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W30 to top off whatever's necessary. All right. And we're going to start her up, make sure she's not leaking. I'll be back. All right, we're going to put the panel back on. This panel that covers the oil housing. I'll show you where it goes. And the right way to put this on is this part here has to tuck into the back, inside on the inside. See? And then you have a couple of holes for these plastic hooks. I'll just put the clips in real quick. See? Now where's the other one? Oh, brother. Here's the other one. I'm going to just pull this part out a little bit so that this part closes more easily. It has to like slam itself down to fit in. Now that holds the whole thing up, and all you need is the 2 screws. Oh, that's really it. That's all for that part. The next step is I'm going to take it down off the ramps so I can check the level of oil.